Good morning and howdy. How are we doing? Alrighty, let's get into today's trade. Bro, I'm so sorry. I recorded a video last night twice and the footage deleted itself twice. So I made the trade recap and honestly, I'm so sad that it got deleted because it was a really funny video. I ended up taking a fake trade in that video and um I mean maybe I can find the file one day, but and if I do I'll upload it, but man oh yeah, I took a fake trade in yesterday's video and it ended up hitting and I said before, I said to the camera, I swear to God, just pressing buy or sell has been making more money than actual confluences. And it was Asian session. We had dumped a little bit. We respected a fair value gap. And I was like, I'm going to press sell. Ended up hitting TP. Anyway, let's get into today's trade. What did I say today? We took a long ladder around here on NQ. Boom. Yes. Okay, you're probably looking at this and you're being like, Blaze, why did you not, why did you enter so late? And I'll tell you why. Because it's Friday. So, first off, price action is bad. And second off, we didn't deliver off of shit today. We hadn't hit a single fucking area of liquidity. We did technically hit this, but we were came down so far below it and we displaced and we were in a major downtrend. Major. Um yeah, we just really delivered off of this low. This like this sort of like order block dealio like low thing. And when I don't see us delivering off of anything, that makes every other confluence that I see next pointless. And oh wow, we might inverse this post market. We're looking for a short here. We were looking for a short here. Let's see if we can inverse this guy. But anyway, let's keep going. Yeah, dude. So we came we came up, didn't even hit this high. I don't even think we hit it on ES. No, we didn't. We didn't hit either high. We had created a lower high. That was another thing where I'm like, okay, we're bearish today. And then we come off, we deliver off of Casper the fucking ghost and inverse this for value gap to come down again. And I'm like, okay. Then we come up, we tap into this fair value gap, we tap into this fair value gap, we get a huge down candle that respects a fair value gap, then we go up. And I was looking to take a trade here. However, you'll see we have relative equal highs above. And it kind of gave us a reaction off of that. So I decided not to go in again. Then we got a nice candle to the upside, but it didn't break structure. Then we got a candle that came way down, it came back into a fair value gap, respected it, and then I win it, targeting these highs. And I will say, I took profits today. We made about $87. I know, really small, but today's trade was not ideal. It was not um today's trade was not A plus at all. We like I said, we didn't deliver. Oh my god. Ooh. Like I said, we didn't deliver off of anything. Plus, I was really cold the whole time. And I woke up at 9:33. Oh man. Anyway, yeah, dude. Fuck. I've been doing this thing that's really been helping with my trading. The day before market open, I tell myself, how am I going to deserve TP? And this isn't, there's nothing you can do to like deserve TP, but But you can trick your mind into thinking that you deserve TP by and that doing that, tricking your mind into thinking that you deserve TP helps with the uncertainty monster a lot. A lot for real. If I like I what I do is the night before, I tell myself, okay, if I do this, and I go to the gym, then I deserve TP. And then I wake up the next day and my heart isn't thumping. I'm not terrified to look at the charts. I I have an eating problem. It's not like diagnosed, but like I definitely have an eating problem where putting food in my stomach is just very difficult. And when I'm nervous and stressed out, it makes it almost impossible. So in the morning, when I'm able to eat food, I know that I'm chill and I'm calm. And yeah, I mean, I didn't eat food today because I woke up at 9:30, but I'm fucking starving and want to scarf some shit down. And I've been like that since 9:30. Oh, but when I'm stressed out, I just don't even get the feeling. I don't even get the want to eat. Anyway. Oh, how are things going with y'all? Things are going good with me. We're up like 187 on the account today. We made a little over $400 this week, which all in all is pretty good. That's the goal. That's the weekly goal is about 400 to $500. I mean, the weekly goal is $500, but if I make 400, I'm going to be happy. No, I'm saying last week we made I think that success is an exponential equation throughout the entirety of your process. And I think that that's what's going to happen with this funded. I think that last week we made $100. This week we made 400. Next week, maybe 800, maybe 1,000, something around there. I think that that is what is definitely possible. I think that it's terrifying for sure. But like I said, if I just follow my rules, if I trick my brain, if I don't if I don't wake up and I'm absolutely terrified, chances are I'm gonna hit TP. Simple as that. Another thing, I'm starting to trade this funded very aggressively, um, very stupidly. But what I do is I sync both accounts. I take a trade on both accounts, and that is the main trade of the day. And then I hop onto minis on my fucking eval, and then I just take the next inverse. Literally, I wait for the next retest, and I wait for the inverse out of it. That's it. That's all I do. And if I pass it, I pass it. If I don't, I don't. And I'm on to the next one. I've got the funded that I want, and that's it. Um, once the evals become fundeds, they are taken seriously. They'll be a part of that one trade sort of thing, dealio. Um, yeah, dude. I think for today, I'm gonna definitely try and get some work done, but I'm not gonna do to the point of where I think I need to deserve TP, meaning I'm not going to get a lot of things done. I think I'm just gonna focus on one thing. Like I think today I'm gonna do a dodgy notes video, and then I'm gonna do a Randy Howe video, and it is an hour long. So that wow, dude. Wow, what does ES look like? Not much better. Yeah, right now we're just dancing between a 2 5 minutes. This is also a 2 minute. Was it a 2 minute? Yeah, 2 minute down here. Not this exact one, but right here. Stacked fair value gaps. Well, technically this isn't stacked, but I have a little thing for them called stacked. Oh, I guess I could talk about this. If you have fair value gaps that line up on the same exact time frame, but maybe they're just a little bit overlapping. I call those stacked fair value gaps. And I've noticed that they work. They're very hard to pass through. So if you do pass through them, both of them, orders were filled, orders were taken, orders that leftover orders were taken. Um, I am so hungry. What the fuck? Yeah, I feel a little woozy too. I got work today. Oh boy, work today. Do you guys have a job or are you happy? Boop, boop. 2 to 12. 2 to fucking 12. Uh, oh, I'm doom scrolling. I'm still recording. Oh my God, dude. Oh, I feel like shit. Dude, honestly, price action today was cringe. I really was. I really wish we had like, I really wish we hit this low, dude. I really wish we hit this low. Bro, we inversed that fucking 4 hour. Dude, my fucking condition the other day, yesterday was the same exact condition as today. It was this, it was, it was this 4 hour, bro. It was this freaking 4 hour, dude. And I woke up and we inversed the shit out of it. And it's just like, we did fucking nothing with it. This is a fucking breakaway gap. What the fuck are we doing? Why the fuck did we come back here? Or this isn't a breakaway gap. This is whatever, dude. Oh, I'm just saying that we closed below this wick. After we inverse, we continued the momentum. What the fuck are we doing? Why the fuck did we not get this today? Can somebody fucking tell me why we didn't get this today? This is exactly what should have happened. That. Maybe not like that. Maybe like one down here, and then it goes up. It's like this. And then we make some nice LR. Sweep out this low. Inverse this guy. Hit that first one. Respect. Boom. Why didn't we get something like this today? I don't know. I don't fucking know. This was the most ideal setup of today. Or at least just a short to this low. Know what I'm saying? Hey, what can you expect, bro? It's Friday. I honestly, I think there was some sort of news event today that, like, for some reason makes it so that price just doesn't like hitting lows. But, and it's also Friday, but at the same time, price has to come to lows to move. I guess we did come to a low, but that was what I mean, come on. You think there's more fucking stop losses? Do you think there's more stop losses here or fucking here? Yeah, yeah, I think it's here. Inside a fucking fair value gap. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. There are orders here. There are leftover orders here. Fuck off. We should have ran this low. Blah, la, 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 la. Little, 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 little. What's the plan for next week? Is this week to trick my brain into thinking that I deserve TP. How are we going to do that? We're going to try and stay as consistent as possible. I don't think we're going to make it to the gym at all this week, unfortunately. But Monday we will. It's fucking Friday. Oh, I want to be my own boss so bad. Oh, I want to be my own boss so bad. I mean, technically I am. Right now I am. But that's the only thing I want to be. I don't want to be working for anyone. Respect to my coworkers, respect to my boss, but also like respectfully, I don't like working for people. Respectfully, man. I will work for you and I will give my fucking hardest. And I will get 1% better every day. But I mean, dude, I want to own my own restaurant, bro. You can't you can't hate on a motherfucker for that. You can't hate on a motherfucker for having dreams. If you're smart, you'll help me out with that shit. And maybe I'll help you out with that shit a little bit later down the line. I gotta end this, bro. I'm doing nothing. I'll see y'all Monday. Maybe I'll do a trade recap on Sunday. I won't be taking a trade on Sunday, but maybe just sort of like a rambling session of what happened during the weekend. Yeah. I'll see you later, guys. Peace out, guys. You can see my cursor. What's market doing? Who cares? Who freaking cares? I will see all you dudes in the next video.